Team C, nila Jelson Neri. Team nila Jelson Neri. Ang pogi mo, sana all. Oh, yan. Mababa pa. Mababa pa ng oras. Start na. Justine. Huli. To Kyle. Kyle pa rin. To Justine. The new guy. Galing pang QC. 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Sir Hunter. Wala. To Totog. Paul Villarete. Take it 3. At aid sa inyo ng Metro Manila Hills. 3 points. 3-0. To Kyle. To G. The Barclay Master. To Yoyong. Take it 2. 2 points. By Yoyong. 3-2 in favor of Team A. Boss Pao. Wala. Rebound by Yoyong. To JP. To Kyle. To JP sa gitna. JP. To Kyle. 16 seconds to shoot. Kyle. Looper. 2 points by Kyle. 4-3. Rebound by Toto. Boss Tog. Pau. Back to Pau. To Serhan. Lumipad. Foul. Sino foul left? Taas ang kamay. Foul by all. Ayaw taas ang kamay. Toto. To Debs. Intercepted by Yoyong. To Kyle. To Yoyong. 2 points kaya. Wala. Rebound by Boss Toto. 4-3. 88 minutes and 34 seconds. Debs. The point guard to Sir Hunter. Intercepted by Justine. The new guy from QC. Justine lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Kyle. 2 points by Kyle. Change favor po tayo. Team D. 6-3 kalahati. Oras 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Tupos Pau sa ilalim. Pau, nangalabaw. Back to Serhan. Pass to Toto. Take it 3 again. Wala. Rebound by Boss Pau. Pau. Wala. Rebound by JP. 7 minutes and 45. JP. Alley-oop pass. To Justine. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Zerander. To Jack. To Pau. Ang ganda pa saan. Wala. To Zerander. 2 points by Serhan. 6-5. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Justine. The new guy steal by Jacqueline. To Totom. 2 points by Totom. Change favor. 7-6 in favor of Team A. Kyle. To Boski. Lumipad si Boski. Wala. Riba by Serhan. Nagbababa na bola. Serhan. 6 minutes and 52. 19 seconds. To Totom na naman. Take it 3. Ating sa inyo na malupit natin Steel Boss Totom. 10-6. Rebound ni Kyle. Ang haba niyan. Tupos Chi tabla. Wala. Rebound by Jacqueline. Tupos Pau. Intercepted by JP. Lumipad. 2 points by JP Antal. 10-8. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team A. Block. Intercepted niya. Nakakuha pa rin ni Sir Hunter. Lumipad si Sir Hunt. Huli pero foul. 6 minutes and 2 seconds. 10-8 in favor of Team A. 2 points by Boss Pau. 12-8 Kyle, taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Yoyo. Spin move sa ilalim. Yoyo pa. Wala. Rebound Tino. Binigay kay Boss Pao. 5 minutes and 42. So Serhan. Serhan, spin move. Serhan, agad ang galaw. Wala lang. Rebound by Yoyo. JP to Justin. The new guy. Justin lumipad. Wala. Justin pa rin kaya. Ang haba. Dari mo ni Chakli. 5 minutes and 25 to Chakli. Lumipad doon ng Gypsy Blue. Rebound pa rin kaya Chakli. Chakli pa rin. 2 points by Chakli. 14-8. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Last possession before change. Pag na-shoot, change na. Pag na-turnover, change pa rin. Pag di ka nila mahal, change pa rin. Justin, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by good. Rebound by change. 14-10. In favor of Team A. 2 points by JP. Three, wala. Rebound by Justin. The new kid from UC. Justin, nawala ang bola. To Kyle. Kyle to Justin. Taking 2. 2 points by Justin. Justin, 2 points. 14-12. Justin. Justin, sa kanya pa rin. Justin, the new kid from UC. Justin again. Back-to-back hits by Justin. Deadlock. All 14. 4 minutes and 20 seconds of the first quarter. To Debs, taking 3, babawi. Wala. Rebound by Totong, sky high. 2 points kaya, wala. Foul. Foul by Boss G. Tabla. 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Chakli taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Justin. Deadlock 14. Justin, nagmamadali. Justin, foul. Foul by jersey number blue. Wala yan. Sinasabi ko lang sa'yo eh. Di ba, out ka na. Kanina pa. Oras, 3 minutes and 53. All 14 to JP. Block by Totong. Ang lutod ng blagod. Nauna na si Boss Totong. Lumipad si Totong. Oh my God. Sorry, miss by Totong. Huli. Pass to Boss G. Galip. Turn around. Huli ka ni Jay Matuaran. Pero foul. What a block. Pero ay foul. Sayang. 3 minutes and 30. All 14 pa rin po. Ang ganda laban. Dikit na dikit. Parang pandikit. Kyle. 17 seconds to shoot. JP. Lumipad na naman si JP. Wala. Rebound by Yoyo. Yoyo pa rin. Yoyo pa rin. 2 points by Yoyo. 16-14. Boss Totong. Nauna na. Totong. To Chakli. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Chakli pa rin. Chakli pa rin. Off. Out of bounds. Wala ng Team A. 3 minutes exactly. 16-14 in favor of Team D. Isa lang ay dalawa lang ang kalamangan. At inside yun ang phase 3. Debs! Lumipad! Bakit ang blaka? Hindi na blaka. Lumipad pa rin. Kyle, nauna na. Lumipad na si Kyle. Wala. Rebound ni Boss Pao. Siya lang mag-isa. Grabe. Huli nyo. Nakuha pa rin. 2 minutes and 43. JP. Pass to G. Tabla. 18-14. 2 minutes and 35. Serhan. Lumipad si Serhan sa ilalim. Ang lutong nun. Pero wala lang yan kay Serhan dahil siya ang may-ari ng JC Good Gym. Tara, gym na mga kaibigan. Gym na tayo sa JC Cruz Gym. 2 minutes and 28. Boss Totong. Paul Villarente. To Jacqueline, take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Tem sa ilalim. 2 points by JM de Matawaran. 18-16. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Justin. The new kid. Justin. Step back 3. Oh! Hatid sa inyo na pastry. Last 2 minutes.
Ganda pa nga
21-16. Serhan taking 2. Wala. Rebound by JP to Justin na naman. Justin crossover. Taking 3.
Oy!
Back-to-back 3 by Justin. 2 points. 5. Oras. 1 minute and 37. 24-18. 1 minute and 32 seconds. 24-18. Back-to-back 3 by Justin. The new kid from QC. Intercepted by Boss Debs. Lumipad. Si Boss Sotok na kay Debs. Debs. 2 points. 24-20. Apat lang. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Lamang ang team D ng apat. Justin. Tuyoyok. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound na naman ni Debs. Last 1 minute. Tupos Pau sa ilalim. Jacqueline, 2 points. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. 24-22. Kyle, to Justin, taking 3 na naman.
Tanginan yan. Ganda ng mga pass nila.
Grabe,
Init ah.
nabaso ako. Sandugang. 27-22. Foul. Grabe. Repeat na tatlong press.
Kaya mo yan, Mr. Longpam. Kaya mo yan.
Babawi kaya si Debs. Wala. Last 30 seconds. Jacqueline na naman. Wala. Rebound by JP sa ilalim. 27-22. 5 lang. Last 20 seconds. Justin na naman. Wala. Nawala na ang init. Pero rebound ni Kyle. Last 15 seconds. Justin na naman. 2 points by Justin. 29. Last 10 seconds.
Wala, taas.
Last 5 seconds po. 5 seconds. 29-22. 2 seconds.